At Sorbus, I'm creating an installation where I exhibit cast resin objects in a ready-made structure that alludes to the atmosphere of a nightclub. I admire diesel shop windows. The soothing emptiness of the sale still lives. If I ever end up designing diesel store windows, I might as well commit suicide. To when you wear Nike shoes, a pair of Adidas sweatpants, a fake Hood by Air shirt with a fake Gucci cap and you think you're cool, but you're just messing up the ensemble with the tacky clothing competition and creating a new, glitchy visual mesh. I've been inspired by all the dudes aping that generic 808 trap hip-hop beat in their bedrooms, those diesel store windows, and all the cheap lifestyle and aesthetic trends that are still considered to represent something high life. Like when you're drinking champagne on a credit at the club and later puking it out on the same tree where your Yorkshire Terrier took a shit the night before. By using club aesthetics, I'm both blurring ideas between the work and its devices. This all forms a space that has its own atmosphere. The ratchet shit happens in the boundary between an honest interest for the type of vulgarity that you could possibly see in drunken horny teenagers at a spring break or in Pattaya beach party, and the lust towards the object.